Cosmetics Lust in Paradise palette. As you guys see, let's address the lips because that's all you're gonna catch. I wanted to do a really pretty simple eye look that complemented the lips. That it wasn't a fight to, you know, what you were looking at on my face. Obviously the lips take the cake, but I thought, you know, this would be the perfect complementary palette to these lips. So anyways, I promised you guys I would be coming back and doing a look with this CColor Cosmetics Lust in Paradise palette. This palette is a $7 palette, guys, but I do have a coupon code HOTMESS10 that'll save you 10% at checkout, getting it for $6.30. Yes, I love that. So anyways, guys, if you are curious to see how I got this look before we jump into the video, if you are new here, hi. Well, I don't even think I finished that sentence. I am so in my own head right now with this lipstick, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm going to film another video with these lips. It's going to be a good time. Anyways, guys, craziest intro ever. If you're new here, hey, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we embrace that hot mess. We run on a ton of caffeine. We love to sit and chit chat about makeup, and remember that at the end of the day, it does wash off. It's not that serious, and it's a judgment and drama free zone. So hopefully this is a safe place for you where you can just sit back and relax. We're gonna play in some makeup today, and let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay guys, so jumping right into this, I feel so outside my comfort zone with this lip color, but I'm embracing it. You know, I just have to roll with it. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and create a beautiful neutral eye look with this palette. Like I said, this palette is called the Lust in Paradise palette. Now this is 100% a dupe for the Too Faced Natural Lust palette. I will try and pop a picture of the Too Faced one up over here so you guys can see it. Maybe I can can I side by side it maybe with my face out of there? I don't know. But I promise you, this is a dupe for that palette. That palette is like 50-some dollars. I've seen it on sale for like around $30, but like I told you guys in the first reveal video of this palette, as much as I thought that Too Faced Natural Lust palette was a beautiful standard neutral palette that would complement your collection if you really love neutrals, I just could not spend that kind of money. So very happy and pleased and grateful that CColor Cosmetics did create a dupe for that. By the way, they did send this over to me complimentary, and I have been using it quite a bit. So let's go ahead. I'm going to zoom you guys in closer, and we're going to create a beautiful neutral eye look to complement this crazy bright lipstick. However, I am kind of enjoying it. A little bit. I mean, I'm rambling. Let's do this. Okay, I got you guys zoomed in. A quick tip that does come with like a little plastic piece that has all the shade names on it. I actually taped it to mine, so that way I don't have to worry about it falling out or anything like that. I did prime my lids with a little bit of my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base. I do have a 30% off coupon code HOTMESS if you guys are interested in picking that up. If you are curious about my lipstick, it is the NARS PowerMatte Lip Pigment in the shade Low Rider. It was in my Boxy Luxe for March, so I will be doing a video next, but I'm a multitasking mama and it's not even Monday. I know. Actually, I got really good sleep last night, so the thyroid is like, girl, it's time to work. Welcome to the Hot Mess Express. Okay, so I'm going to jump in with the shade Cupid, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that for a majority of my lid, but not all the way up to my brow bone. Okay, from there I am going to jump into the shade Passion right here, and I like to do a build-up and layer of my shades is one thing that you are going to notice. I'm going to just go in with this Passion shade, and then I like to dab, pat because I do have mature lids, and that's what works best for me. And you'll see that I am going above the crease on there because, like I said, I do like to layer my shades, taking whatever is left and popping it a little bit underneath the eye. And I will lightly go back into a windshield wiper motion after I've tapped everything on there. Okay, moving on from there, I am going to go into the shade Infatuation, which is the shade right here. I'm going to go a little bit lower with my placement of this shade. What I like to do is I like to look down, find where that actual crease is, and then place it right in there and tap, tap. And then again, once I get it all tapped into place, I will lightly run my brush right over there. Not too much, not too hard or anything like that, not too rough, because if you do, like if you are like me and have mature lids, it's going to cause a skipping motion, and that's the one look we don't like. Okay, I honestly feel like with this lipstick, you really can't go too wild and crazy with this eye look. So what I'm gonna do is keep it kind of soft and natural, like I said in the beginning, and I am gonna jump into the shade Lovesick. And it's a nice, pretty, like creamy, shimmery shade, really pretty. So I'm gonna apply some of that. I don't know if my camera's picking up like how nice and soft but yet a beautiful sheen there is to it. I'm going to apply some of that with my finger. Excuse me, I'm gonna need you to focus. There you are. I'm gonna apply a little bit of that with my finger real lightly to the inner part of the lid, like so. Just this helps if you to like brighten and open up that eye. And if a little bit gets like in the inner corner down here, don't be too alarmed with it. Honestly, I'm going to put a little bit of that color right there anyways to help really brighten up the eye and open it up. So now on the other outside portion, I guess you would put it, from the middle to the outside portion of the lid, I kind of want to go in with the shade Honey, I think. Yeah, let's just do it. Okay, we're gonna go in with the shade Honey. Ooh, that's really pretty. Yes, it's a very warm golden, almost like a, yeah, it's not a duochrome. Okay, let's just do it. I'm gonna just do it. And then I'm just gonna blend and merge those shades together. Because like I said, I don't want anything to be too overpowering, just because my lips are wearing my face today, you know? I don't think that was probably like the right way to explain it, but woo! You can't miss my face today. Okay, so I do want to kind of add a little bit of warmth underneath the eye, so I am going to jump back into the shade Infuriation. Wait, what is the word? Infatuation. Hooked on phonics. Here we go. So I'm going to go in with that shade just a little bit underneath the eye. But I'm only bringing it about halfway, maybe a little bit more than halfway. I'm not doing the entire eye like that. Real nice and soft. Then I'm going to jump back into the shimmery shade Lovesick. And I am going to apply a little bit of that right into like underneath the corner, but not too far down because we don't want to accentuate any fine lines we may have. Just like so, like really, really soft. Then we're going to go into the shade Cloud 9, which is this shimmery white shade. I'm going to pop that in the inner corner and on the brow bone. And I will be right back with mascara and of course our eyeliner. Okay guys, so I am back with my liner and my lashes. For liner, I have my Benefit Highbrow in the, I don't know, it's just like that little nude cream colored shade. Then I have the Sorbet Treatment Cosmetics Limited Edition Satin Eyeliner in Dark Brown SE02. Are you guys ready for all of my mascara? Okay, so mascara. L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. Then we have our L'Oreal Voluminous Curved Brush in Black Brown. I like to do the black brown on the upper and lower lashes. And then only on the top lashes, I use the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black and the Essence Lash Princess. I don't want to hear it. It's a judgment-free zone, okay? I do what I want. I'm just playing, guys. I love to layer mascara because your girl is just not a fake false lash queen. It takes me about 10 hours to get them on, and then as soon as I have them on, I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't see. It's like caterpillars. Yeah, anyhow. Let's focus on this. Okay guys, so like I said, you guys already knew I love this palette, but I did promise that I would be coming back and creating a look for you guys when it came to these palettes. Like I said before, I think that this is just a beautiful, simple, neutral, perfect palette, whether you are just getting into makeup or you are looking for that perfect neutral palette. This is it. And it's inexpensive. And the one thing I will say about it is it's not insanely freakishly like bulky or big, or I was looking for one that is like very large, but you know what I'm saying? It's not like one of those humongous large palettes that are hard to store or anything like that. And a lot of you guys have asked, why did they change the casing on here? I have no idea. It's very similar to, like you guys said, a Profusion palette or what have you. I have not had any issues with this palette. You know that your girl is clumsy as sin, and I haven't broke it or anything like that. I mean, as long as they're keeping the price down, you can change the packaging all you want. I mean, what I was excited about before, and I told you guys this a long time ago, is I always felt like maybe they didn't name the shades of the palette to save money, but now we're getting name shades. So like, if you have a YouTube channel and you want to create looks, but you know, we're finding it a little hard to do tutorials because you're like, I'm pointing, but I can't tell you the shade names. Like, this is perfect. I appreciate this little plastic thing that I can like tape into my case. So anyways, guys, like I said, this palette is $7. I do have a coupon code, HOTMESS10. Does save you 10%, so that means you'll get it for like $6.30. And this is just the perfect everyday palette. If you have even a, you know, daughter that is getting ready to start into makeup or what have you, this would be the perfect gift. Like, absolute perfect gift to get in here, because there are darker shades that you can deepen a look, but there are so many beautiful, simple, neutral shades. And think about it, prom season's coming up, and there's a lot of like formal dances, wedding season, all of that stuff is coming up, guys, and you're gonna have the best of both worlds, because you can go really light neutral shades, or like I said, you could deepen it up, you can go like really deep and sultry, what have you. So this is gonna be the perfect everyday palette for $6 and change. We love that. Okay, guys, that's gonna be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it enough to give your girl a big thumbs up. I have to say, just real quick, this NARS lipstick is actually like really comfortable. Still not comfortable with the shade. I'd love to say it's growing on me. It's a pretty shade. It's just, I am sweating profusely out of my nerves. Anyways, guys, I will leave a link down below if you want to pick up the CColor Cosmetics Lust in Paradise palette, along with my coupon code that is an affiliate code. So if you do decide to use that code, I will earn a little bit of commission. And a lot of you guys ask, is that a one-time use code? It's not. It is a forever code. You can use it repeatedly on multiple orders, whatever you want to do. So anyways, guys, I'll have everything listed in my description box down below for you guys. I'll try and pin a comment as well. If you guys did pick this up the day that it launched, let me know. Tag me over on Instagram or Twitter on any looks that you have created. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Oh, girl, these lips. That's what you see. Look, look. Lips coming at you. Lips coming at you.